In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete pages in Confluence. If you're cleaning up documentation, archiving old content, or removing duplicates, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it safely and confidently, while keeping your workspace organized. First, open Confluence and log in. Once you're in, head to the space that contains the page you want to delete. Spaces are like folders or categories, so make sure you're in the right one before you proceed. It's a good idea to confirm you're working in the correct environment, especially if your organization has multiple spaces for different teams or projects. Next, navigate directly to the page you plan to remove. Before moving on, make sure you have the right permissions. You'll need editing permissions or admin rights for that page. If you can't see certain options later, it's usually a permissions issue, and you may need to ask a space admin to help. By the way, since Confluence is a web-based tool, you'll find a direct link to the site at the top of the description so you can get there quickly. With the page open, look to the top right corner for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Actions menu. Click it to open the page options. This is where Confluence groups many page-level actions, including moving, copying, exporting, and of course deleting. Choose Delete from that menu. Confluence will show a confirmation dialog to make sure this action is intentional. Read the prompt carefully so you know exactly what's about to happen, especially if the page is linked elsewhere. When you're certain, click Delete again in the confirmation dialog. The page will be removed for everyone who had access to it. In most setups, deleted pages cannot be recovered by regular users. Recovery is only possible if your Confluence administrator restores them from the space trash, so proceed thoughtfully. If the page has child pages underneath it, Confluence may ask whether you want to include those in the deletion. Take a moment to decide. Delete only the main page if the subpages are still useful, or include the child pages if the entire section is no longer needed. This choice helps prevent accidental loss of related content. A few final tips to keep your workspace safe and tidy. Only users with proper permissions can delete pages, so check your access first. Deletion is powerful, so double check that you're targeting the correct page. And if you're unsure, consider confirming with your team before proceeding. Thanks for watching.